Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to attach files to messages in Outlook. This is an essential skill for anyone who needs to share documents, images, or any other files through email, whether you're sending reports to colleagues or sharing photos with friends. Let's start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. This will load all your emails and give you access to the tools we need for attaching files. Wait for everything to fully load before moving to the next step. Now that your emails have loaded, we're ready to compose a new message. Look towards the top left part of your screen where you'll find the New Email button. Click on it to open a fresh email composition window. This is where you'll craft your message and add any files you want to send. With your email composition screen now open, direct your attention to the top of the window where you'll see several tabs. Look for the Insert tab and click on it. This tab contains all the tools for adding different elements to your email, from files to images to signatures. Once you click Insert, you'll immediately see the Attach File button right there in the ribbon. Go ahead and click on it. When you click Attach File, a menu will expand showing you different attachment options. From this expanded menu, select Browse this PC. This option allows you to navigate through your computer's folders to find exactly the file you need. A File Explorer window will pop up on your screen. Now it's time to locate the file you want to attach. Navigate through your folders until you find the right document, image, or file. Once you spot it, click on it to select it. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted. After selecting your file, look for the Insert button at the bottom right of the File Explorer window and click it. And that's it. Your file will now be attached to your email and you'll see it appear right under the subject line. From here, you can add more attachments if needed or simply complete your email and send it off to your recipient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.